Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this OnePlus. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can go into settings instead, scroll down and access display and brightness. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!